Hey you guys, it's your girl Ryan Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below so you can join the fam. But yeah, in this video, I'm just showing you guys how I got this really cute sunsetty pink look using the James Charles palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm using the color B and 518 for my transition color, and I'm just mixing those two. I really just had to build up this color because I wasn't sure how it was going to look, but I must say these colors blend out really beautifully, but I did want to build them up instead of putting way too much at the beginning. So as you can see, I'm just packing on a little bit more color so that the color is a lot more vibrant. So now I'm picking up this neon pink and it's called Skip, and I'm just blending that right underneath the yellow color that I just added. I really took my time building up this color as well because I wasn't sure how it was going to look on my face and I didn't want to look like a clown. So I'm still learning how to use colors, so I really just start lightly and build up as I go. So now I'm just going in with 518 on its own, and I'm just adding that right between the yellow and the pink so that I can blend out those colors and there's no harsh lines. So I'm using a smaller brush and I'm just adding the color B on its own to just below my brow bone, just to again blend out those colors seamlessly so that I don't have any harsh lines. So now I'm just packing on some of that pink color again just so I can make it a lot more vibrant. This look, as you guys can see, takes lots of blending. I literally kept going in with each of the colors and added more and blended and added more and blended. So yeah, you'll see the final look shortly, but you just honestly just want to keep blending until you don't see any harsh lines. So I'm going to move away from my eyes for a second. Right now I'm adding my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, and I'm just going to add that all over my face and smooth it in. That's just going to help minimize my pores and have my face feeling a lot more hydrated. To combat the hyperpigmentation around my mouth and under my eyes, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange, and that's just going to neutralize any dark spots that I may have. So I'm just blending this out with a beauty blender and making sure that I don't have any spots left over because I don't want any orange bleeding into my foundation. So next I'm just adding my MAC Match Master Foundation in the color 8.0. I'm just using a few pumps around my face and then I'm going ahead and blending it out with my Real Techniques buffing brush. Be sure to get under your neck and around your hairline because it is not cute to have those lines of demarcation when your neck and your face is a whole different color. So I'm just going back in with my beauty blender to pick up any excess foundation that may be left on my face. So now it's time for my favorite thing to do, and it's highlighting. So for this, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm just highlighting under my eyes, under my nose, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on the sides of my cheeks, as well as my chin. And next I'm just going to blend it all out with a beauty sponge. So once that's all blended, I'm going to set my highlight with my Sasha Buttercup powder, and I'm just going to put that in all the areas that I just highlighted. To be honest, I'm not really a fan of baking. I basically only use my powder to set my highlight and then I quickly wipe it off so it doesn't leave a huge, like, that white cast kind of look. So as you can see, I'm just taking the same brush I used to do my foundation and just wiping off all of that excess buttercup powder. So next I'm just going to add some warmth back into my face, and I'm using my Anastasia powder bronzer in the color Mahogany, and I'm just going to put that pretty much all over the perimeter of my face. So next I'm just using my Broken It's My Missrayyy palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm using the darkest shade in that palette to lightly contour my cheeks. So next I'm using the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and I'm using the color, I think it's called Neo. Yeah, I'm using the color Neo and just lightly dusting my cheeks. So I'm going back in with my It's Missrayyy and BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just using the darkest and the middle highlighter shades to highlight my cheeks, underneath my eyebrow, and as well as the bridge of my nose. So I thought about adding falsies, but I decided not to. I'm just going to go ahead and add my smoky extravagant mascara by Makeup Forever, and I'm just going to leave it at that. I just really didn't feel like bothering and doing the work for falsies today. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm just using some of the highlighter shades from the It's Missrayyy palette. Since this look is so colorful, I'm just going with a simple lip, and I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. I'm just lightly adding that to my lips. I don't want like a super, I don't want a super lipsticky look. I just wanted something really, really simple. I'm adding a very dark plum NYX lipstick on top just to kind of act as a lip liner. So to complete this look, I'm going to do my under eye, and I'm using the exact same colors I used on top. First I used the yellow, then mixed the orange, and now I am using the pink color again. I decided to go back into my inner tear duct, and I'm using the color Artistry just to brighten it up a bit, and it's a really nice shimmery purple, so I kind of just extended it and added it up into my the inner corner of my eye, I should say. So to finish off the look, I'm just adding some mascara to my lower lashes. I sprayed my face with my NYX finishing spray in the matte finish, and that's basically it. I didn't get all of that on camera. So this is the final look, you guys. I really liked how it turned out. I'm loving the fact that I'm trying new colors on my face. Comment down below if you enjoyed how this looked, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. But yeah, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And yeah, toodles!